Alright, so I want to have this ball move to the right or move to the left, depending upon if I click on one of these two buttons. So what we first have to do is name everything to get them ready for coding. So right click on any object and go to the accessibility tab. I've named the right arrow, left arrow, left arrow, a ball, ball, and the stage dimension, I've named it rect width parent. And I have already put the JavaScript over here. And so let me just explain everything of what's doing what. I'm declaring the variables rect width parent, the ball, left arrow button, right arrow button. First thing we need to do is we need to grab these names that we just barely named and put them into the variables that we'll be working with down here. So right arrow button, left arrow button, ball becomes the ball, and rect width parent. I've kept the name, but you can have them different names. You can have them the same, but you got to make sure that the ball or the objects are named correctly. The left side and the right side initially start at 0, and then I calculate the width. In theory, this rectangle I can do the height as well, but for this demonstration, it's just the width of the of that shape. So we got stage width is the shape. It's I grabbed the width from that shape I made earlier, and so now this is that the ball. It just looks at the ball's width as well, and we still got those two things. So we got stage width. So for the left side, a ball or any object is measured by the top left pixel. So right about here is where this ball is actually shown to be on the stage. So left, if I move this over, left right here is 0, so I didn't have to do any coding stuff for that. But if I move the ball all the way over here, the top left pixel will be right here, and the ball would be right here. So I have to take away the width of the object. So stage width minus object width is going to be the far right side, and then it calculates that after going through that code. That's where it does that. So now to animate left, when we so down here we add the add event listeners. Animate left, animate right. When you click on that, it does that. When you click on that, it goes that. So it takes 2 seconds. It does a bounce, so it goes boom, 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 and it repeats no times. It just does that trend ease one time. We got a minus 360 here and a plus 360 here. You can change the 360 to whatever you feel like. I felt like one full rotation was good, but you might be like, that looks weird. So you might change that to whatever you need it to be. So that's pretty much the code right there. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to press preview. Left. Right. Now if I click like this, it's not going to be exactly where it was anymore, so that's good. So you get some randomization if you went back and forth. I'm not exactly sure what you'd use this particular exercise for, but the most important thing is the this part right here. This right here is so if you resize it, it takes into account and says, okay, the new pixels are here. If for some reason you wanted this the ball is over here, but you want it to actually be in the middle, you can use this to start in the middle. But actually, let's just undo that real quick. So let's just change this. We'll comment out the right side real quick. Okay, let's do that again. Make it bigger so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so go right here and go right here. Okay, so if I now preview it, the furthest right would be the center. So left, center. Oh, it made me lie. Oh, but yeah. Let me just go in here real quick. Divided by 2. Okay. Okay, so left, right. So see this the top left pixel's right here, not right here. What it did was took the stage width, however many pixels that is. Let's say 1,000 divided by 2 is 500, and the object width, whatever that is, let's say 100, and that's 50. So it'll be 550 is where that or 450 would be where that pixel would be. So just make sure that it's in the center. If you want something to be in the center, that's the code you do. So right, left. All right. Thank you for watching my video.